we wanted to focus on how we can add AI and AI-enabled or digital services to every part of the value chain. Within that exploratory phase, we identified C3 as one of our partners. Within the industry in managing and maintaining buildings, data is one of the most challenging aspects. So you have disparate systems with different types of assets and data points, and trying to bring them together is one of the most difficult part of it. And C3 AI is phenomenal at being that integrator. During the pilot, we have evaluated various use cases where all these different data sets which are not connected before can be brought in and integrated into a common platform. And this platform is helping us see some of the insights around how we can act on said data. I truly believe that some of the applications that are being rolled out based on the agentic approach by C3 AI will be phenomenal in terms of where we could go next. I truly believe that as an operating system, beyond just as a product to our customers, it can extend into other avenues where we can bring into the front end of the sale itself, so that through and through it could be a business value chain impact. We had an opportunity to work with the data team, the solutions team, and different groups, the UI team. But I think the people at C3 AI are one of the best teams that I have worked so far. From a pilot standpoint, and also from the way they collaborate and they collaborate with us, it's quite impressive. And all of this is ensuring that we have a successful partnership.